Oh, welcome to a video where I show my voice this time because there's really no need. Thought it'd be cool to, have a mystery of what my voice was. Anyway, it's kind of dumb. I was young then. But anyway, statistics, you can toggle this on and off to see your triangles. In Roblox, they only allow 10K or 10,000 triangles, and as you can see, this sphere is way over the amount that is allowed. So we're going to have to cut this down. One way is you can use this decimate modifier, and you can turn it down to, I recommend, 0.5. But that is just one way, and it messes up your model. And you don't really want that for like high quality models or whatever you're working on. Instead, what you would want to do is you want to get your model and you want to cut it into pieces. I'll show you how to cut into pieces right here. Not lines. Select faces. We selected all the faces. Doesn't have to be perfectly in the middle. If you have, anyway. After you do that, after you selected about half of your model, you can right click and you can click separate by selection here. And now they're both different models. Now, as a reminder, or as a thought anyways, this shows everything, all the triangles in your whole entire thing. If you want to see what an object specifically has, you want to click on it and you want to go into edit mode. It shows you how much it is. So this is under 10,000 and this is under 10,000. So far we're good. I have a model I built over there and we don't want that. So we don't want that to be exported. So you can just select these two. You can go to File. You can go to Export. Make sure it's FBX. If you do OBJ, it will import it into a Roblox as one whole object. FBX has it as two objects, as what we have here. Now you can do this. I'll just call it test, why not? And click this to selected object, since I don't want my model, my gun. I made a gun not too long ago, because I don't want it there, so only these. You can export it, and now, boom, you got it in your files. You want to go over to Roblox, and not do this, but let me just show you. You can use mesh parts if you want for single parts, but we don't. That's it's the old days, you don't want to do that right now, just yet. You want to open Task Manager, which you go to View and Task Manager, and it's up here. You can go up here to bulk import, click on it, and search up your thing, test.fbx, which should be the one I'm doing. Open it up, and this one is checked, this one is checked, and this one not checked. Make sure that's all done, and then apply all. Then it's going to start loading in every single piece of your mesh. And if accidentally one of your meshes are over 10,000, it won't upload that one, and it will keep on continuing down the line and uploading only the ones that are under 10,000. After that, you can close this and you can select these two. You can select it using shift click. I think critical click selects like everything. But anyways, that's not part of the tutorial really. And you can insert it, and doesn't have to be with location. I don't recommend doing location because it can be a bit far away. But after that, then you can like scale it down and everything. And boom, you got your mesh that is over 10K triangles. Another thing you can do with this is you can then just color it. So that this is also useful for if you just want to color objects inside of Roblox Studio instead of using a texture. Depending on what this video gets, I might just make a video on how to do textures, but yeah, that is all. Like the video if you found this helpful. Don't necessarily have to subscribe, but you can subscribe if you want to get updated for videos I make, and bye.